a big fan of Adobe products, but I want to challenge myself. For the next 30 design projects, I'm not using any Adobe applications, just Figma. Let's see if it's possible. For this first project, I'm going to create a prototype that makes this lotus bud bloom, turning it from a closed bud into a full flower. I've downloaded the bud image from Unsplash and used Gemini to generate two more variations. I want to animate the bloom, but the backgrounds don't match perfectly. So let's see what we can do without Photoshop. I'll select the image, go to the design panel, click on the image under the field section, hit the AI icon and choose remove background. Then I'll repeat the same process for the other image. Now while holding Option or Alt, I'll drag a copy of the bot image into the Step 2 frame and place it underneath Lotus 2. I just need to remove this bot. Using the pen tool, I'll draw a shape to cover the tip of the bot. Remove the stroke and add a gradient fill. Then I'll use the eyedropper to pick a color from the background and adjust the gradient angle. Good. Let me know in the comments if you have a better way to blend or fix the background. I'd love to hear your approach. Alright, next I'll add a layer blur to the shape. Move it under the flower and lower the opacity a bit. Then add a background blur, tweak the gradient, resize the shape. Perfect. Now I'll duplicate both the background image and the shape for the third step. Nice. Let's switch to prototype mode and create the bloom animation. Connect the first step to the second one. Set the animation to Smart Animate with an ease out curve and a 900 milliseconds duration. For the next interaction, I'll set the trigger to after delay, then connect the third step back to the first one, again with an after delay trigger. Let's preview it with Shift Space and watch our little bud bloom. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time with the second challenge.